Prepositions are a fun thing. On, under, above, and more. Let's explore the world and roar. The toy is on the table, so neat. A puppy is under the chair at my feet. The kite is flying above the ground. It's spinning and twirling all around. The book is next to the lamp, so bright. The ball is rolling beside the bike. The bird is sitting in the tree. The fish are swimming out to the sea. Jump up high, then touch the ground. Spin around and move around. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning prepositions can't be beat. The cookie is between the two plates. The mouse ran around and found the gates. The toy car zoomed in the box. The cat jumped out from the rocks. The shoes are under the bed so low. The lamp is shining above with a glow. The keys are next to the door. The book is beside the floor. Jump up high, then touch the ground. Spin around and move around. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning prepositions can't be beat. The hat is on my head so high. The plane is flying in the sky. The cat is sleeping under the tree. The ball is beside the big bumblebee. The dog is in the yard, so fun. The sun is shining above the one. The fish are swimming around the pond. The bird is out flying beyond. Jump up high, then touch the ground. Spin around and move around. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning prepositions can't be beat. The cup is on the table, take a look. The cookies are in the cookbook. The toys are between the chairs. Prepositions are everywhere. You've learned them all, what a great day. Prepositions make learning so fun, hooray. So sing this song and have some cheer. Prepositions are always near.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.